A group of us from the Immigration Justice Clinic, under the supervision of Professor Lindsay Nash, we went to a family detention center in Dilley, Texas.
I had done some family detention work when I was at the ACLU, which is where I was before this. So it was an issue that was very near and dear to my heart, because when you go and spend time there, there is no way that you don't come out feeling like you have to work on this and you have to try to change it.
Rows upon rows of trailers, which are surrounded by a chain metal fence with barbed wire.
Women and children seeking the protection of our country, and the first thing we're doing is placing them in jail.
Kathy Greenberg had long been interested in this issue. She knew how terrible it was that these mothers and children were being detained, some of them for very long periods of time. And so she said, what should we do about this? What can we do?
When we were in Dilley, Texas, we met one client that had just experienced really terrible abuse and harassment for many years.
She was a victim of childhood rape. She had suffered decades of ongoing harassment and abuse at the hands of her rapist.
They hit the ground running. They got in and did what they need to do. They problem solved. They figured it out.
And she was able to convince the asylum officer that she had a valid asylum claim. And so that is just absolutely amazing. We were just so thrilled for her and for her young daughter.
I think that's one of the great things about Kathy and this clinic, is that she's someone who really sees injustice and wants to do something to change it in a very practical way. And that's an amazing opportunity for any advocate, but in particular for students, because it gives them the chance to not only see a problem close up, but to really use their legal training to think of creative solutions and then put them into action.